RIME stock analysis. Next week and onward, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Algorhythm Holdings stock is sitting at 13 cents and it is 18.35% down. Relatively speaking, we had like such a crazy expansion here, and then the price started retracing and contracting on the eccentric. I don't know what I'm talking. That's not muscles, man, but like it's going down. Now I've done 34,000 videos, spent thousands on courses, mentorships, documented everything, and like after a lot of trial and error and a lot of data collected, I have seen what has worked for me, what has not. And even with RIME and its approach, for me is just like a bearish, purely a bearish bias for right now. Obviously, like I notice how I say for right now and not forever, because the price broke for like once with this gap, went up a little bit, then broke once yet again for a second time, and since it broke this is like where I looked for it. Like if you look at the line, it's exactly how it's going to look like, you know. That's the reason why I look for that. Then and only then it was bearish to me, and now there's two outcomes. It either hits the break even or hits the TP, none in between, and I'm just waiting for the outcome. In the meantime, following other ticker symbols. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.